If your septic tank is bubbling like crazy, it usually means it is full or something is seriously off with the system. So, first off, you gotta know that septic tanks need regular pumping, like every 3 to 5 years depending on your household size and water use. If you ignore that, the tank fills up with sludge and scum, and then you get those nasty bubbles or backups. Another thing is never flushing stuff that messes with the bacteria in your tank. No wipes, grease, or harsh chemicals, because those kill the good bacteria that break down the waste. Also, watch what's draining into your system. Avoid putting heavy water loads all at once, like running a bunch of laundry back to back. Fix any leaks or cracks in pipes or the tank itself, because they can cause air to get trapped and create bubbling. Make sure your drain field is in good shape and not waterlogged or clogged. If it is, the wastewater won't drain properly, leading to bubbles. Lastly, get a professional inspection if you notice weird smells, slow drains, or bubbling sounds. You don't want to let a small problem turn into a huge mess. One of the biggest mistakes people make with septic tanks bubbling is waiting too long to pump the tank, which causes backups and expensive repairs. Fix it by scheduling regular cleanouts. Another common issue is flushing harmful items that kill beneficial bacteria. The fix here is to stick to toilet paper and human waste only. The third problem is ignoring drain field problems like soil saturation or tree roots invading pipes. A professional can evaluate and repair or replace parts before things get worse. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle septic tank issues without breaking the bank. Contractors also get connected with real clients looking for their skills, so everybody wins.